Hi, I decided to make a video to say hello. So, as you know, my name is Daria and I'm an artist and I'm living in Japan right now. I'm originally from Russia, from Russian and Bulgarian parents. So, it happened that now I'm studying in Japanese language school and living in such a nice place as Japan. And in the future I'm planning to work in a Japanese company as a concept artist or illustrator, but I hope to work as concept artist. So from the young age I used to imagine characters, situation, so my brain is working so fast, and it was my dream to create the worlds, create the characters with a deep story. So I decided to make a YouTube channel to improve myself, to encourage myself, because it's been so long time that I was closed. I wasn't able to really draw, to express myself, to work, to concentrate. And after I left Russia, I finally could breathe with the full of my chest, and even it took like many years. I'm so glad that I can do it right now, and thanks God that I have time and I have my hands, I have my health to do it. So about me a little bit. When I was a small child, I had a huge imagination but couldn't express myself. My mother was so controlling, and she checked my personal belongings to find some dirty stuff, and I didn't have my own place, and I was playing in plasticine, creating a small dolls, all world, and I was hiding. And also my free time was when I was just laying and creating some characters and worlds in my head, because if I draw, my mother could check it and laugh at me and say negative words. So, and I was training for so long time. And the artist is not about that how much have you seen, how much have you imagined. Artist is about a hard job, is many hours of trying, many hours of drawing, and I'm so regretting that I came to that stage so late. Even I finished the college, 4 years of college in classical academical education, and after I tried to find a work in a game design, and it went unsucceeded, because in a small town, kind of small, 600,000 people, there was no creative jobs. So I tried to get a job as a web designer, and yes, I worked in 2 different companies for 2.5 years. It gave me a big and rich experience of design, but my heart was wishing to do another stuff. I was always creating, and but it's in my head. It's like nothing. And so, as I told you before, I created this channel to make my dream come true, to create, to work, and be a good artist. And I want to share with you what I can show to everyone. How can I surprise you? So I I will continue creating videos, creating the speed painting, and I hope to the, how to say, I forgot English, to the your comments, answers and opinions. I really would like to know other artists, other people who also wishing to draw. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope for your support and being here. See you in the next videos.